Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming the essentials. You're signed into the Google account you want to change, and your device has location enabled. Once done, turn on high accuracy or Google location accuracy so apps get precise signals. Make sure Wi-Fi and mobile data are active because they help triangulate position. Next, open Google Maps or go to Account Settings. This is where you'll make the first changes, add or edit home/work, and allow the browser or app to request location for immediate testing. Now adjust the primary sources Google uses. In Maps, edit home and work addresses so searches favor that area, and in your Google account, check location, history, and web and app activity if you want changes to persist. For testing, open Chrome DevTools, go to Sensors, and override geolocation coordinates. On Android, enable developer options and set a mock location app to simulate GPS. These overrides show how Google responds. Make sure to save address changes and verify with a fresh search. To finish, clear the browser and app cache, restart Google Maps and Chrome, then perform a location-specific search to confirm changes took effect. If you edited your account home/work, open Account Settings under Personal Info to verify they saved. Once everything looks correct, toggle location history or web and app activity back to your preferred setting. If your location still shows wrong, revoke location permissions, disable any VPN or proxy, and try again. If that fails, remove and re-add the saved address to force a sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.